In this video, I'll show you how to install the Realistic Weapon Overhaul mod in GTA 4 and make the game look and feel more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down, select the manual download option and select slow download option and it will start downloading. Once this download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First up here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just go back and copy and paste it in same location and rename it as backup. Once you've done this, open the GTA 4 folder, open this Realistic Weapon Overhaul mod, go to game folder, open the PC, models, CD images, drag and drop this weapons.img, replace the file in the destination, go back to GTA 4 folder, open PC, ANIM, drag and drop this AINM.img, replace the file in the destination, go back to GTA 4 folder, open common, data, drag and drop this XML file inside this folder, replace the file in the destination. The final thing you need is OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, check my video description for this install guide video. Once you installed the OpenIV, select this weapons file and select extract to and select desktop and select OK. When file has been extracted to desktop, open the OpenIV and go to PC, audio, SFX, resistant.rpg. Double click on the resistant.rpg. Double click on the resistant. Drag and drop this weapon over here in the desktop. Before that, select the edit mode option and select yes. Drag and drop the weapons inside the resistant folder. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. This mod rebalances all weapons in GTA 4, so every gun is useful, no weapon feels weak, and gunfights become much harder and more realistic. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.